go away. Come again another day. Spill a single drop of liquid on your beloved Mogwai, and what do you get? More than you bargained for. Standing 3.5 feet tall, the motion and sound activated animated LED Gremlin Stripe is a mohawked menace, hell-bent on havoc and ready to wreak, rip, and ravage its scaly way through your peaceful parlor. Trigger the sensor and 2 reptile-like eyes glow orange against the darkness. Its menacing head turns side to side, swinging with its 2 giant ears, and its dagger-toothed jaw opens and closes, snickering with delight. The rise of a new morning sun is all that will save you from this tiny terror. The 3.5-foot animated LED Gremlin Stripe.